So I want to talk about 5 themes that you guys can use when you are in Seoul. I can't introduce you the first theme without getting changed, so let me quickly get changed.
So right now I'm in a really famous spot in Seoul, Bukchon. It's packed with tourists. So I just moved to the other alleyway that is really quiet. So this is the first thing that I do want to recommend. You guys can rent out this beautiful Korean traditional dress, and you can actually take these beautiful houses as your scenery for a perfect picture. So you can see that every corner is so beautiful in this Bukchon, which is right next to Gyeongbok Palace. So now I have taken plenty of pictures utilizing Hanbok, the Korean dress, and everyone's enjoying it. And you get free entry to the palace if you're wearing this beautiful dress. And for men as well, I haven't forgotten about you. You guys can dress up as kings or gods or knights. But now it's so cold. So let's get changed and get to the second theme. Okay, this is behind the scene. It's actually pretty cold today. The next is my favorite theme, and I think some of you guys can probably guess what I'm about to show you.
Gwangjang market has over 100 years of history, and with over 5,000 shops, they sell everything from hanbok dress, souvenir, kimchi, and they even make kimchi on the spot. Fresh oyster, fresh octopus, and ground bean mung bean, and some other Korean delicacies.
In every corner of Seoul, you will find some good food. You will then get to take some awesome picture with the delicious food that you will eat. Here it's more like street food, and I love it, especially this pancake. They make it fresh on the spot. But this will be the beginning of my eating at Gwangjang market. So if you guys come with your friends and family, then I'm sure you guys will take so much better picture than what I have taken. So for the picture or for just experiencing this culture, food, why not come to this market or any other sort of like street market? Cold, but next theme continues, and the next theme is about the history of Seoul. Seoul has been the capital city of Korea for a little over 600 years. So in Seoul, you guys gonna see plenty of architecture from different eras in the span of like 600 years. So you're gonna see like the palaces, and something from like early 1900s. You're also gonna see the modern, brand new, what you would probably expect of the city. So here we have the old Seoul Station and new Seoul Station.
Mixing the tradition within the ultra-modern city, it should give you a very interesting photography opportunity.
And the next theme is take photos with these cute characters, Lion and Kakao. I love them. They're so cute.
Finally, the last theme. Seoul is a city that never sleeps. You can pretty much do everything, buy everything 24 hours. The lights are everywhere, neon signs everywhere. And you can take some interesting street photography like this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys will one day come and visit Seoul. And if you guys do next week during the Lunar New Year, then welcome to Seoul. And I really wish you guys a happy Lunar New Year. And I'll see you!